Welcome to our comparison video between Riverside FM and Squadcast. These are two popular platforms for recording high-quality audio and video podcasts remotely. Today we'll break down their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and ideal users. We aim to provide you with an objective analysis to help you decide which platform suits you best. Let's dive into it. Riverside FM offers local recording, live call-ins, live streaming, screen sharing, and a magic editor. It also allows multi-track HD video recording, which is a standout feature. On the other hand, Squadcast offers local recording, screen sharing, and a progressive upload feature. However, it lacks the live call-ins and live streaming features that Riverside FM offers. Both platforms offer automatic backups to prevent loss of data. Riverside FM has three pricing tiers: Basic, Pro, and Max, ranging from $90 to $40 per month. Each tier offers different features and video recording hours. On the contrary, Squadcast has four pricing tiers: Hobbyist, Professional, Premium, and Enterprise, ranging from $10 to $100 per month. However, Squadcast offers a free trial period, while Riverside FM does not. Riverside FM's user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and operate. It also provides a comprehensive guide and tutorial videos for beginners. Squadcast, on the other hand, also offers a clean and straightforward interface, but the absence of tutorial videos makes it less beginner-friendly compared to Riverside FM. Riverside FM integrates with various platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, and LinkedIn for live streaming. However, it does not integrate with podcast hosting platforms. On the other hand, Squadcast only integrates with Zapier, which connects to hundreds of other apps, but it lacks direct integration with social media platforms. Both Riverside FM and Squadcast offer a high-quality and reliable connection, ensuring smooth and seamless podcast recording sessions. In terms of security, both platforms prioritize user data privacy and protection. They use secure and encrypted connections, ensuring your data and content are safe. Riverside FM offers 24/7 customer support, which includes chat and email support. On the other hand, Squadcast provides email support and a comprehensive FAQ section. In terms of scalability, both platforms offer plans that cater to different user needs, from hobbyists to enterprises, allowing for growth and expansion. Based on our comparison, Riverside FM emerges as the winner. It offers more features such as live call-ins, live streaming, and multi-track HD video recording. It also has a more user-friendly interface with comprehensive guides and tutorials, and integrates directly with social media platforms for live streaming. However, Squadcast is still a great option with its affordable pricing and Zapier integration. Thank you for watching our comparison video between Riverside FM and Squadcast. We hope this video has been helpful in your decision-making process. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.